If you watch this video till the end and follow each step carefully, I can guarantee you that you're gonna be a badass Sigma. Like this, or this guy. So comment down below in the comment section that who do you think am I? And with that being said, let's get started. The first step is to start making eye contact with people while you're talking. Maintaining eye contact with people gives them a sense about you that you are powerful and confident. Now, eye contact doesn't mean that you're gonna keep staring into their eyes. This would make them feel awkward. So there's a simple hack to fix this. Follow 80-20 rule. This means to look into their eyes for 80% of the time during your conversation. Now, moving on to step 2, speak with actions. Now, what does this mean? That's simple. Stop wasting your time explaining and arguing with people on your ideas or plans, because there's no better way to waste your time upon people who can never see through your vision. It's as simple as this line. If they don't have what you want, stop explaining to them and just show them results. Nobody cares about your words until they see results. Step 3 is the hardest to follow, but the most powerful way to be a badass Sigma. Be calm in even the worst situations, like Thomas Shelby. You have to understand that no one cares about a loser or a scaredy cat who panics at the moments which he or she should have kept calm and thought about the situations wisely before taking any decision. Remember that you might regret taking decision without thinking, but you would never regret thinking twice before making a decision. Step 4. Body language. It's again one of the most crucial things to work upon. So let's discuss about some of the most essential ones. Posture. Walk with heads up, shoulders back, and slightly swaying your shoulders. This increases your attractiveness by 25% and also makes you appear as you are in full control. If you want to fix this, you can watch the video in the description. Always stand while you're having a handshake, and instead of a soft one, have a tight and powerful handshake. This makes you appear more dominant. Now, Sigmas are attractive, intelligent, but more mysterious. So never spill all your secrets, not even to your bestest of friends. The more you keep it to yourself, is the more you get respect. Now, let's have a quick recap. If someone insults you, forgive them. If they repeat, fuck them. As simple as that. Now, start making eye contact, follow 80-20 rule, be calm in even the worst situations, and speak with actions. Maintain a good posture. Never spill your secrets, not even to your bestest of friends. Now, this video can be short, but it has all the values which you need to be a badass Sigma. So if you think this video worth your time, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to be trapped in the fake world.